Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by updating and gathering essentials. Do it now so nothing interrupts the flow. Once the Ps5 is on the latest firmware, sign into your PSN account. Make sure you have your current password and access to the email or phone tied to the account. Choose an authenticator app for better security versus SMS because it reduces risk of SIM attacks. Once done, pause only long enough to install the app on your phone, then return here and will enable two-step verification. Now you enable the layers. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts and open Security. You will see two-step verification. Select Authenticator app and either scan the PSN QR code or type the setup key into your app. Enter the 6-digit code the app gives you to confirm. This binds your device. Next, generate and securely store backup codes. Write them down offline. Also set a separate 4-digit console passcode for on-device actions to prevent local misuse. This completes the main protection steps. Finish by verifying everything works. Sign out and sign back in on a different device to trigger the 2FA flow and confirm you can use a backup code. Make sure backup codes are stored offline. If you suspect compromise, change your PSN password immediately and reissue codes. If you lose access to your authenticator, use a backup code or follow PlayStation Support's account recovery steps and keep your proof of purchase and account info handy. Quick tip: reset passwords on linked email and review recent activity logs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.